Speaking of health insurance, included in the American Rescue Plan that was passed during the first couple of years of Joe Biden's presidency, it included several tax credits that assisted people in covering health insurance premiums. And it had the effect for people who were participating, especially in Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act. It lowered the cost of their health insurance premiums by 44%, on average by over $700 a year. Republicans want to let those tax credits expire. The net impact of that will be between 2026 and 2034, 8 or 9 years, 3.8 million people on average will lose their health insurance each year. Almost 4 million people a year for 9 years. And it will force those who remain in the ACA marketplace to, their premiums are going to go up by an average of 4.3% per year, ending at 7.9% per year. So kick about 35 million people off their health insurance and raise the prices for people who remain. And it's like, where's this quote? Where is this quote? Okay, so he said, healthcare reform, this is from Speaker of the House, Mike Johnson. Healthcare reform is going to be a big part of our agenda. When I say we're going to have a very aggressive first 100 days, we got a lot of things still on the table. The Affordable Care Act is so deeply ingrained, we need a massive reform to make this work. And we've got a lot of ideas on how to do that. How to take insurance away from tens of millions of Americans and raise the premium prices on those who remain insured. Those are his big ideas. Which circles back to another thing. We're going to have a very aggressive first 100 days agenda. They have a one-seat margin. A one-seat margin. It's currently 217 to 215 in the House. Because 3 Republicans, 2 of them went to Trump's cabinet and 1 resigned, Matt Gaetz, when he got nominated, and then he withdrew. So a benefit in all of this whole thing is we finally got rid of Matt Gaetz. But he has a 1-seat margin in the House. Last Congress, they had a 4-seat margin in the House, and they got literally nothing done without the help of Democrats. Funded the government with help from the Democrats. Passed budgets and continuing resolutions with help from the Democrats, because he couldn't wrangle his own Republican caucus. And he thinks he's going to have a very aggressive first 100 days. That's not going to happen at all. It's going to be a bigger clown show than it was last time.